Hi, this is Connie from Thrifty Collectibles. I'm going to show you some of these cool pieces of Pyrex that I got at an auction in the last couple of weeks, and I'll be getting them on eBay and my Etsy store and in my booth at the Old Factory in Hummelstown, Pennsylvania. So come on and take a look and I'll show you what I got. So the first one I'm going to show you is this set of 3 bowls in the butterfly gold pattern. There's 2 gold colored ones and 1 white one. Numbers 401, 402, and 403. And this is actually called Butterfly Gold number 2. If you go to the Pyrex Love website, you will find all of the patterns that are listed, or I should say most of the patterns, and you can identify your Pyrex using that website. It's a great tool for identification. The next one I want to show you is one of the bowls called Woodland. This is part of a set as well. They're browns in this tannish color. This is number 402. It has on the back the liters instead of quarts and pints. So here you go. It's a nice pattern. It's a pretty color too. Spring Blossom number 2. Nope, sorry. Spring Blossom number 1. There's also this same pattern. Both go by Crazy Daisy or Spring Blossom. But this bowl here is number 402 as well, with the liter mark on the bottom. And all these bowls are really good. They have minimal fading and, a little bit of light paint wear, but otherwise in good condition. The next bowl I'm going to show you, this is mostly bowls, but I have a few other casseroles here. This is the Homestead pattern. It's kind of like speckled, and it's got like a colonial blue color flower that goes around. And this is bowl number 403, also with the liter mark on the bottom, which I do not believe you can see. Oh, wait, maybe right there, maybe. Apologize for the light. Here's a nice big hefty Snowflake Blue 2.5 quart casserole. You can see the snowflake pattern around the edges, and this one has a white lid with the same pattern. Now somebody used this one. There's a few scratches and swirl marks on the bottom, but no chips or cracks or anything like that. Pretty clean, still usable. Great for large casseroles, the holidays are coming. But that pattern there is called Snowflake Blue. Set of Crazy Daisy Spring Blossom casseroles. It's actually the whole set, but there are no lids with the smaller pieces. This is 471, 472, 473, 474, and the giant one, which is very large, 475, and that one has a lid. By chance, I actually had the lid. It did not come with a lid, so I added the lid to this one, and we'll make this its own listing. So, oh wait, 2 more things. In this lot of Pyrex that I got also came these 2 pretty Hazel Atlas modern tone platinite coffee cups. No, we don't have any saucers for them, but that's okay. They're just pretty, they're really colorful. So those were all from one auction that I was at. And then this past week, I picked up a few other things. Trusty Dusty John Wayne mug in the box. And last but not least, 2 pairs of, they're upside down, carved wooden clogs from, Dutch looking clogs. They're really cute. And they both have hangers on the back, so you can hang them on the wall for a display. So this one has this pattern on it. It's a windmill. And the second pair have a man and a woman on them. So these will probably go in my Etsy store because I've sold a lot of them there. So I think that's what I'm going to do with these. And this was my small little haul that I got. I've been sitting on the Pyrex. I've been busy and trying to get stuff cleaned up. So I am going to start listing these and getting them out there because I know holidays are coming and people are going to want these. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like this video and hit the bell button to be notified when I list new videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.